Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be building the project WhiteOut, our end of your PC project build, which includes the NZXT H6 Flow chassis in the all white edition. We'll be using an Intel Core i7-14700K processor sitting on a Gigabyte Z790 Aorus Pro X motherboard, an all white motherboard with some great features. For storage, we have the crucial T700 1TB PCI Gen 5 SSD, and for RAM, we have the Thermaltake Tough RAM XG RGB DDR5 7200 32GB kit. For cooling, we have the Thermaltake TH360 V2 Ultra all-in-one cooler in the white edition, and also 2 packs of the Thermaltake Swaffan EX12 ARGB sync cooling fans with some nice magnetic connectors. And all of this is powered by the Thermaltake Tough Power PF3 1050 watt power supply. And for graphics, we have the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4070 Ti gaming OC, and what we've done is we actually painted the whole graphics card white for a perfect all white PC build. So we have all the components, so let's begin the build and enjoy. Alright guys, here we have the finished item, the project WhiteOut. I've actually added a couple of items including the vertical GPU mount, and I've changed some of the power extension cables to have an all white finish there. Alright, so let's power this up and see what it looks like. this is our epic end of year PC project build, the Project Whiteout. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy all these components via the links in the description down below. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.